GORV stock analysis and GORV stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade, because I'm the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's making me money, what is not. With Lazydays, yeah, 60% up is nice Friday performance, but I'm ultimately looking at the broader picture and how it might affect, the upcoming days, weeks, and months. Because look, over 40,000 videos is like, I've seen this happen tens of thousands of times. I'm not even exaggerating. And what the hell does that mean? Most of the times when I see a pump up as such, it just stabilizes, but just continually continue to go down. I'm not saying here that this is exactly what's going to happen coming into next week, because there still definitely can be a little bit more fuel and we can definitely pump up, rank up. But I'm definitely going to be that guy that's going to come out here and not trade this purely because of the environment. Like I mentioned, there's far better opportunities in my eyes compared to GORV. And again, in this thing, clearly, if I see a double break, I'm still going to look to take it down. But yet again, randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So we'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.